Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today I'm going to show you one of the lines we carry, which is Scotchman. This is an American-made machine, comes with a 3-year warranty. It's an extremely heavy-duty machine, as you can see. Has a variable speed motor here for your variable speeds. Geared head, it's all geared here, NSK bearings. It's got a nice little blade brush. The unit also comes here with a coolant tank. This is a real production saw, very rigid, made for everyday heavy use. This one is actually a swivel head. They have a fixed head model and a swivel head model. This one actually could do a 45-degree cut up to a 90. It'll do a 90-degree cut at 10 by 10 3/4 inches. So this machine actually, instead of some of these other machines, a little bit lighter duty, you might have a rotating vise. This material is always going to stay dead straight, and actually the head is what moves. So it gets a really nice clean cut on the miter. As you can see, it's real easy to move. You just lock it into wherever you want to be on your degree scale. Right here I'll show you it straight. This is a manual saw, so you have to lift it by hand. We do carry these in semi-automatic that have hydraulic lifts and stuff like that. And we'll go ahead. You have a rapid feed, a feed, and your feed rate. So the first thing I'll show you, we'll go ahead and show you. You got your piece in, you could go quickly down to it. As soon as you get down to your piece, you can put it into feed mode and turn it in slightly. Here's your variable speed. This is an infinite control for your down feed. We'll go ahead and turn the machine on. I'll show you how everything works. And you can see a nice quality American-made machine in action. And here's the blade speed for quicker or slower. And depending on what material you're using and what blade you're using, there's a feed chart here for materials, and you can change your speeds. There's a chart up here for your feet per minute. You can change that. Now right now it's in the upper capacity. Go ahead, put it into feed mode. And we'll put it at a pretty rapid feed just to show you the head coming down. Scotchman's a pretty large company. They carry iron workers. They build cold saws, horizontal saws. They're known for good quality stuff. As you can see, it has an auto shut off when it hits the bottom. I'll show you again just how easy it is to go ahead and change to a miter cut. Now we carry these saws, new and used, depending on what's in stock. Please give us a call, 626-444-0311, or visit our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.